Ho ho ho! It is almost Christmas. I did not say Christmas, I said almost Christmas. So because it's almost Christmas, we are prepared to give you your gifts starting now. Big or small, we have them for you. Today we are here with Mr. I could just call him Big Boss. You don't have to call out his name, right?
Yes, sir.
Happy holidays, my brother. Have your package them for you. I know that you're a first time shipper with us? Okay.
I'm platinum.
You hear that? Come in closer. He is a platinum member. First time shipping with us. And he's doing it the right way. Look what he's doing today. Today's Sunday. We're out meet him on the roadside. This is the kind of service we present. This is the kind of service we offer. What do you think about it? What do you think about say a Sunday starters?
Well, that's the first thing. Didn't expect you on a Sunday. So that's
Okay.
good.
Yeah.
Something is in here that my son is for tomorrow. So that's even better.
Mm-hmm.
And the whole service is easy to use.
So we're winning.
Right.
We are winning. Very easy to use, he says. Very easy to use. You like how organized we are.
Yeah, very organized. A few clicks on the phone and
Mhm.
customer service is excellent.
Customer service.
What's up?
Say it again about customer service.
Customer service is excellent.
There you go.
WhatsApp message,
Yeah.
you get your
It's a response.
Yeah.
All right, good.
what I like.
So we're here to please, we're here to serve, and we're happy that you came on board with us, and we have it. We have you covered. We have you covered for Christmas. So no ho, no ho, no ho. Merry Christmas. From our family to your families.